This is one of the flagship programs in School of Biological Science. Although biotechnology is known for ages, now it's very much developed. And as I said, we're presenting students with classical biotechnology based on microbiology, but also very modern branches like the using of plants in production of proteins, in production of chemicals, in production of medicine. And microbiology, of course, is basically bread of the future, because that's how many things will be created, including our food in the future.
When I started looking for masters, the main concern I had was to get into a good research-oriented university. Queen's University drew my attention because it belonged to the Russell Group. That's the main thing why I chose Queen's University.
I was working for a biotech company, so I always wanted to be in research for a biotech industry, to study medicines, to work on medicines, which inspired me. So this was a kind of early exposure for me to the real world of working. Queen's is known for its research. All the machines that I'm working are very high-tech as compared to like I was working before in India. Right now I'm working on HPLC, DLS, which is a dynamic light scattering, which is very, very impressive because the quality that we get is very nice.
And the first semester, it's all about the basics. They reintroduce you to biotechnology subject, they reintroduce you to molecular biology. They start from the basic, and in the second sem it's going to be a bit advanced, talking about different subjects like food and etc. Its second semester is all about applications, and in the third sem it's everything about a work placement or the research projects.
So this work placement is for 3 months and it is going great. Right now I'm working on super small drug molecules for intracellular drug delivery for the natural compounds. I have a lot of support from my supervisors, and I'm very happy to get this placement and like get more exposed like towards the biotech, like the early biotech industry that I really want to work for.
Belfast is a beautiful city, most peaceful city. Comparatively, I did visit other parts of UK and I prefer Belfast over those parts because I find Belfast as home. I have my accommodation in Queen's University BT1. The accommodation people made sure that we have an interactive session. They used to organize certain games night, certain painting night and music nights and whatnot. So we used to make sure we all used to gather in common room, and that's how I met few of my good friends here. And right now they are really good friends of mine, and anytime, anywhere, they are there for me. And that's a very huge thing apart, like a home away from home.